Y'all a mess. He gonna catch you dead.
You think he's slick?
I'm over here recording y'all.
Hey, my hand out your mouth. What the bear? What a bear. Let me guess. Sit. Give me a paw.
Oh yeah, it's time to go to one of them places, you know. Do the
Yeah.
robot.
Sit down. All right. Give me your paw. Give me 5. Come on. Sit down. I said sit down. Give me your paw. Come on, man. Now give me this. Good dog.
Beer is too big.
Say what's happening, nigga. Say what's good, my riggers. Yo. F with me entertainment. Holla at your dog. Right check, 1, 2, run through. Run my rebels up. I'm trying to get on smack. Huh?
You lay right on my foot.
My name is Bear, Theophilus Smith. Huh? I will be 8 years old next month.
8? When do he stop growing?
He's shrinking to me. Look, you got gray beard. You old ass dog. He's an old dog, yo.
You's a oldie woldie
I love
woldie.
you though. You got a gray beard and they trimmed it up when you went and got clean.
Aww.
He got a goatee. Got his teeth clean.
Mm-hmm.
Breath don't stink no more. You rocking. Now all you need is a little taste. We got a girl. You gonna impregnate her, bro. Your bloodline gotta live on, bro.
Yes. Amen. I want a puppy of that already imagined it. I'm gonna name it Uno.
Uno?
Uno.
Too many syllables. Uno. Well, I don't know. Roxy. Roxy's like, damn. Roxy like 13.
Yeah, Roxy old. She knows she old too, cause she don't even care no more if she run out. She like, oh, whatever. I'm a grown woman.
Hell, bro, woman.